Brought to you by Viva Prime Channel. And the replay is from the new Santa Ana Park.
And the race is on. Heaven Sent fast to begin, rushing up Mr. Diamond. And in the middle is Lively Dude alongside is Iconic. On the further outside is Batangas Baron. Running down on the inside is Bodica. Then comes Creation. Down on the inside is Dream Machine. Bonnie's Gem. Third last, rushing up Go Navy. While Virgin Liberty is running at the tail of the field. Heaven Sent leads by some 3. Followed by the couple entry, Lively Dude. Mr. Diamond is racing in third by some 2 lengths. Running on the outside, Iconic Bodica. And on the further outside is Batangas Baron. Running down on the inside, Dream Machine. In the middle is Creation. Third last, Go Navy. Bonnie's Jam second last. And Virgin Liberty is still running at the tail of the field. Inside the last 600, Heaven Sent leads by 3. Followed by Lively Dude. Mr. Diamond is racing in third by Hapalam Bodica Iconic and Batangas Baron. Rounding the far turn, Heaven Sent still leading the pack by some 2 lengths. Mr. Diamond is running in second. Lively Dude Iconic Bodica down on the side. Racing towards the final turn. At still Heaven Sent by a length and a half. Mr. Diamond is running in second. Bodica down on the inside is Dream Machine. And nearing the finish line, at still Heaven Sent by Hapaland and Mr. Diamond on the outside. It's still entry number 1, Heaven Sent, followed by Mr. Diamond and Iconic. And finally, Heaven Sent, Mr. Diamond, Iconic, Dream Machine, Dream Supreme, number 6, Bodica, Virgin Liberty, number 1, Lively Dude, and number 8, Creation, Go Navy.
Alright, you saw jockey Rodeo Fernandez give a well-deserved pat there to his mount, Heaven Sent, after winning the first leg of the Triple Crown Series wire-to-wire. Dito po sa ating take-all na inabot ng 2.2 million earlier. This is the second set, I believe. 17,494 na lang po ang matitira. Yeah, that's the second set. Winner take-all, let me see. That's winners already, 42. So that's like 21 winners. Quarter times for this race, 25, 23 and a half, 24 and a half, finishing at 27 and a half. 1